Hey there, aspiring real estate moguls. Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your guide, the Real Estate Sensei, and today we're diving into the world of real estate investing strategies. Grab your pens because we're about to demystify wholesaling in a way even your grandma would understand. But before we jump in, remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Let's simplify real estate together. All right, future real estate titans, let's talk about the ninja move known as wholesaling. This strategy is like being the middleman of real estate. No capes, just contracts. Step 1. Find a property with potential. It could be a diamond in the rough or a gem waiting to shine. It's your job to spot that hidden potential. Step 2. Lock it down with a contract. No, you're not buying the property yet, but you're getting the right to sell it to someone else. Think of it as a real estate matchmaker. Step 3. Market like a maestro. You're essentially saying, hey, investors, check out this golden opportunity. It's like being a real estate hype person. Step 4. Find an eager buyer. This could be a fix and flip investor, a landlord, or someone just eager to own a piece of the American dream. Step 5. Assign the contract. You're like the conductor, passing the baton to the buyer. They take over the contract and pay you a fee for your matchmaking skills. And that's it. Future real estate warriors. That's wholesaling in a nutshell. No need to swing a hammer or become a landlord, just the art of connecting the dots. But hang on a sec, why the masked identity, you ask? Well, my curious learners, unveiling our true selves might raise a few eyebrows in the industry. Other leaders might not appreciate us giving away these simplified strategies. So, for now, let's keep it as our little secret. Call it ninja wisdom. Now, here's the exciting part. This is just the beginning. This video kicks off a series where we'll explore various investing strategies, from flipping to rental properties and everything in between. Your backstage pass to insider insights is right here. Now, it's your turn to join the discussion. What investment strategy are you most curious about? Flipping, rentals, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your questions might become our next video topic. Thanks for tuning in to Real Estate Investing Simplified. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned because our next video will be your guide to another exciting investing journey. Until then, remember, it's not about having all the answers. It's about asking the right questions. This is the Real Estate Sensei, signing off.